Hey babes, welcome back to Veauty. My name is Jackie. Today I will show you guys how I achieved this look. Super simple, super fallish, another fall look. So please keep watching. Let's get started. Okay, so today we are using the Almar Cosmetics. So this one, and it has really cute colors, but if you guys thought we couldn't get an easier look, well, you guys are wrong, because today we are doing the simplest look ever. Like, we are just using one color. So we are using this one. We are using the Tropico. I was thinking of using the Cocoa Taxi too, but no. We are using just this one right here. And some new products too that I won in a giveaway. So I love the colors on this palette. I think they're so cute. But we're going for another fall look slash super simple. And yeah, let's do this. So like I said, we're using this one right here, Tropico. So si pensaron que it couldn't get any easier, you guys are so wrong, because we are literally just using one color today. One color. And if you can't use just one color on your eyelid, let me tell you, girl. But literally, it's literally one color, and I'm not even worried about blending, nothing. We are literally just throwing it on there, and I wanted it to be another fall look, but like one color. And I wanted it to be like orangey, brown, and I feel like this color is the combination of both, and you can't go wrong with them. And you can wear literally anything, and like any color, and it'll match your outfit. Just like this. And then we are trying a new foundation. I did win a giveaway thanks to my boyfriend. He signed me up for this giveaway that we're doing without even me knowing anything. But look at that. Just one color. I'm telling you, if you can't do just one color, I don't know, girl. I don't know. And then if you feel like you messed up or whatever, like even with your finger, you can kind of like, if you feel like you went muy afuera del ojo or whatever, or you just didn't want to have it there, just with your own finger, just kind of like clean it up. It's a really cute color. And even with just one color, like you can add more on the bottom, like make it stronger with the same color. You can just add more on your eyelid, and then just blend it out little by little and bring it higher. And then you add your eyeliner, your mascara, your falsies, and all that good stuff. But look at that, it's so cute. And it's just one color. Literally, favorite words too. Literally, mom life. What else do I say a lot? These. Look at that, it's so cute. Okay, so let me do my eyeliner. Let me try to do both eyeliners super fast. Let me add the mascara too. So I did get a concealer because, you know, these ojerotas Hashtag mom life. It's no joke. So we'll see how we like it. I got one a long time ago, but I think I just got the wrong shade. I didn't like it. I can't remember too about the, like, if it's too, like the pigment, I can remember. But so Sephora in the shade 11 Tatin. So let's try this. Oh my god, I should probably just try and say everything in Spanish, huh? So we'll see si tapa. Okay, we did not need that much either. So I guess the pigment is really good. And I'm using one of my brushes, just a brush for, I like tapping them. Oh, you know what, actually, sorry, we go back. We are using Moda Pro, and it's kind of like it fits right underneath the eye. So I like tapping. Just tap, 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 tap. Come on, tap, tap, tap. Okay. And then just bring it down a little bit. I know right now we can't really do like a full beat because the mascarilla that we have to wear and the calzones on our faces and stuff. I want to find a good concealer that me tape bien las ojeras, because I don't want to do a full beat and then the foundation goes two ways. You know what I mean? Or no? Does that make sense? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Just stick along. Just follow along and just watch. So, I mean, me tapó las ojeras. So, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so that's the concealer. So far, okay. I hate too how you gotta, like, well, in the store right now, how you can't try on the makeup there and then because, you know, because of COVID or whatever. So it's kind of harder now. You have to like buy it, bring it home, try it on, see if it's your shade, and if it's not, pues te jodiste. Just kidding, you can like take it back or whatever. Now we are trying the foundation in the shade 360, and it's Fenty Beauty. You guys already know I don't buy expensive makeup. I really surprisingly and so weird, I did the $1 challenge and I really like the foundation from the dollar store. So I don't know if I've said in my previous videos about my foundations, but I usually stick with like Sephora, just the regular Sephora brand and stuff. But today we are, this is the one I got for the giveaway. I got a $75 gift card, so I got me a concealer, a foundation, I got me an eyeliner pencil, and a glitter. So that's what we're trying today. So we tried the concealer, now we're trying the foundation, see how we like it. So pump. I will never get over the fact that I don't have a forehead. So I try to make it work with what I have. But see, Diosito me hizo so unfair. He gave me a lot of over here and just a little bit of over here. So we're gonna make it work. Sad story. Anyways, so I am using Morphe. We'll see how we like the foundation and if it matches. I love them. I love Morphe brushes. I always have to use my fingers for my forehead because I'm gonna mess up my eyebrows. This is long wear. Yeah, full coverage. Oh no, hydrating medium to full coverage for all skin tone. So okay, and then we're gonna contour, and we are using Shade Light by Kat Von D. just so it looks a little bit better. So this is another new product. I got the Sephora brow, what is it? Sephora brow source self. Es un lápiz para los ojos. Shade matte sand. It says it's for the brow, for the eyebrows, but I like using it for as an eyeliner, just like that. But you guys see how it makes your eyes like más abiertos? And this is something I had in mind when I went into Sephora, because I've used the white one they have. No, I've used another exact same one that I used to use before. It's also Sephora, but I think they just changed the packaging, or like como los hacen, I think, because they pretty much work the same, I think. So that's that. So this is the Artist Contour, and then in the shade Diamond Glow. So it looks like this. And then I like applying it in my teardrop just a little bit, because si es mucho. Ooh. I love these, like estos details, little details. Well, that's nice. You see how it's just one simple color, and then if you add like these little touches, it makes the look super out there, super dramatic, really nice. So far so good. So yeah, I guess we can say besides, so like just new products in general, like we're trying new products. We are using a different blush too. So it's the Pretty Vulgar in the shade 18 Hush Blush. So, and if you feel like you went too hard with the blush, you can always go over it with your same foundation brush and just kind of like tap it wherever you feel like. I don't know if you guys saw that. I had like a big sharp. I'll do it again. See if I can. You see, like right there, it looks like patchy. Like I just threw it on there without blending it. So just add. Don't be scared. I mean, be scared, but don't be scared. If that makes sense. You see how I look like a payasa? But it's okay, because you can go back with your foundation, and like I said, just tap it. If you feel like you went too hard with the blush, just tap, tap, tap. Blend it if you want, and then you bring it down a little bit. This is another product actually that I got. It's called Heavy Metal. It's the Midnight Cowboy, and it's just like a glitter eyeliner. So honestly, I just wanted to try it, see how. So we're gonna add it on the eyelid, just like that, nothing crazy. Just to have those little sparkles there. You can even add it all the way down. Honestly, with glitters, you can do it whatever you want. There's not a specific way of where to put it and where not to put it. But I thought that was really cute. So I just connected the glitter with my eyeliner. Like I said, nothing crazy. I just wanted to try the product, see how I like it. I love glitter. I love golds, silvers, you know, the básico, the basic stuff. I try to stay with the neutrals instead of crazy colors. And let's be honest, they're honestly like harder to work with. Honestly, I feel. So I like it so far. So just like that. That's cute. That's a cute little touch. And it matches the teardrop glow. Okay, so let me set underneath my eyes. So far, I really like the foundation and the concealer. I think they do what they're supposed to. Oh, my eyelashes. So let me put in my eyelashes. So I'm gonna put my eyelashes on. So they're on. Ooh. We are using Lolita Kat Von D. So this is the final look. We're feeling cozy today, so we wore a sweater cardigan. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, anyways, let's get started. Ay, nomás que le me. Oh, I did this eye to see how the color was gonna look. But, uy. Wait. I can't with myself. And I should probably get rid of the gum. Sorry, Tico. Yeah, let's do this. So, like I said, we are we're using. But yeah, we can't. So I tried to. I want to find a good. I want to find a good concealer